Hello, good evening, everyone. How was the day? How is work? And how is your activity? You're busy. Your everything for today. How is the family? I believe everything went well. So I want to actually make just 5 minutes of your time today to actually discuss possible what we actually discussed yesterday, what we left yesterday. So let's actually make some. Still go remind people for the discussion we have yesterday. Today I will basically want to talking about the business part. At least let me just say 10 minutes should be enough to discuss for we to have this discussion today. And it's going to be brief and strictly on the point. I don't want to repeat so many words today. First of all, we discussed about health issue yesterday. And today I actually want to discuss actually the business part. How does one register with this company, this great company called Revopit International? It's very simple. We have 4 packages in the business, and each package have its own price. Each year, for a starter, we have we have 4 packages. There's a starter, bronze, silver, and gold. And a starter, as a company running a promo for now, is 28. Though once you register is 28,000, the company give you the 2 product of called Miracell pack. That is for 28,000. That is for a starter. I want to start. Therefore, a bronze, you want to register for a bronze, which is 48,000. The company give you 4 packs of the product compared to other network. Then for silver, the company give you as 240,000. The company give you 20 packs of the product. Now for the gold, which is the highest, the company give you at the rate of 480,000. The company give you 40 packs. Now let's look at it this way. If you register as a starter, you bring somebody as a starter. As of this month, the 31st of this month, the company pay you 10,000 for you bringing that person. Then if you bring a bronze, remember you register as a starter with 28,000. The company give you 12,000 for you bringing somebody who want to register at 48,000. That is for bronze. Now for silver, somebody want to register as a silver with 240,000. What the company pay you is for 60,000. Sorry, 60,000. Now, if you want to bring somebody who want to register as a gold, what the company pays you, say you want to bring somebody to register with 480,000, is 120,000 for one leg. Now let's go back to as a starter. You bring one person, that is what I say company pay you 10,000. Now, when you bring 2 person, the company pay you 20,000. So you bring 2 people, you register with your 28,000. I will now bring 2 people. What the company going to pay you is 20,000. Then your matching bonus with those two starter is 2,000 naira, which is what the company pay you automatically with the matching and the 2 sponsor is 22,000 naira. Now, when you want to register somebody who want to come in as a bronze with 2 leg, left and right, now the company will pay you those 2 people 24,000. Then with the matching, now the company going to pay you 28,000 naira for you bring those 2 people. Now as a silver, you want to bring, you remember you are still on a starter, whatever the package you are. It doesn't matter which person you are bringing. The company pays you on what that person you want to register on. The person you want to register as a silver, what the company pays you with those 2 legs is 120,000. And if you want to, the matching bonus now is 40,000, which is what the company pays you on top line with the two people, and your matching bonus is 160,000, and it's done under 24 hours. Now with a gold, what the company pays you is with those two legs is 240,000. With your matching, which is 60,000, company going to pay you 320,000 naira for you bringing those two people and your matching. Now tell me, is that not amazing? Is there any other business, any other work more better than this particular one? And that doesn't end everything. If those people you bring on other people, you keep having your matching bonus. Whatever any person you want to register, with any package you want to register, the company pays you based on the package the person you want to register. Get it right. So that is why I say, don't sit down there and you say, no work, I don't have money to register, I don't have money to come aboard to register with this company. Don't miss the opportunity. Don't say your village people is after you. Don't even sit down one day and say, now well, it's like I need to go and seek a pastor prayer. No, you and the prayer of yourself. Do your own work well. Once you do your own work well, you will get your result. See, I can stay up every night to make my team get whatever they want. Nobody is my team have no benefit. The name of my group is Super Team. Remember, when something is super, that is extraordinary. So I want you to take this advantage. Come aboard. Register with RevoBit International Company. Your head is secure. Your weight is secure. So what other things do you want? If your head and your weight is secure, those are the two things we preach in RevoBit: health and weight. So we are going to have a Zoom meeting tomorrow by 4 p.m. The time and the ID we place on will be on Facebook. Whether you're on or off, you're able to see the ID. So by 4 p.m., I'm able to also go to coordinate a meeting whereby I will explain more deeper for you to see what it takes for you to benefit on this Zoom, or this great company called RevoBit International. So I want to appreciate everyone. Come aboard tomorrow, or you call my line for you to be a part of this meeting on 080 37 25 0928. As I said, the number again is 080 37 25 0928. So call me if you are really interested in being a part of this meeting tomorrow, so that don't say we Nigeria. I want to say one thing quickly. We Nigeria believe or say everything is a scam. Every single thing out there is a scam. I don't blame you because of the country we are living on. We don't trust ourselves. But if you really want to take this opportunity, you want to try this opportunity, call the number, or possible go to Google RevoBit International. It's there. Go to YouTube RevoBit. You still going to find the thing there, the company and everything in the site there. So this is a pure business. I can't imagine you waking up, you're working with somebody, waking up every morning. How much are you be paid? So people is pay. Let me start for it. Like some people want to do a sales guy, 12,000, 50, 20. Even you are a government worker, some people is 80, 100. But this company is telling you, so just bring one person as a gold. who want to register 480,000, come pay you 120,000. Just one person. Imagine you bring it to people in every month, 240,000 plus your matching 320,000 naira. Is that an amazing? What other day do you want? Do you want? Oh, you just expected for you to sit down. Somebody will just bring that money to come and give you your pocket. Because I have some quite a little bit fine challenges. Some people say, I want to just register. We just sit down to be receiving the dollar. My dear, it does not work like that. My brother, whatever it is, wherever you are, wherever you be now, it does not work like that. You have to work for what you get. Remember, the Bible says, whatever I find your hand to do, do it very well. He will bless you. Don't sit down there. You say, I just let me just register. I will just sit down to the money. The people will be working for you. Who work for them? Nobody work for nobody. And in super team, what we do, we build as a team. If you register and somebody else want to register, we place that person under you. Have a ruler bonus. So something it does not even work for, you just record money, seeing dollars in your system. So that's what I'm keep advising. I want to probably end this meeting here right now. By tomorrow, by 9 p.m. also, we're still going to have a meeting on live. We'll continue with it until the message get to a lot of people that their wish want to be part of this great company called RevoBit International. And be part of it, and I love it, and I continue. Guru takes whatever it takes me to actually make sure this message got across. It left your word, just as I said earlier, is secure. Your head also is secure. So let's take this opportunity. For the last time, call this number 08037250928. Call me. Also, you WhatsApp me with the same number, so that let's talk more. Whatever any question you want to ask, any details, I will pass it on to you. So I'm going to say with this, cut it a short now. So say thank you all. God bless you all. Sleep well. Have a sweet dream. Goodbye. Thank you.